Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to get a Medium API key. Medium offers self-issued access tokens, often called integration tokens, which are perfect for connecting your applications. These tokens provide specific, limited access to your account. To begin, you will need to log into your Medium account and navigate to your personal settings. This is where we will find the option to generate your unique access token. Once you are in your Medium settings, look for the Security and Apps section. Within this area, you will find a dedicated part labeled Integration Tokens. Here, you can create a brand new token. It's important to give your token a descriptive name, perhaps indicating its purpose, like My Blog Publisher. After entering a name, simply click the Get Integration Token button to generate it. After generation, your integration token will appear as a long string of alphanumeric characters. This token is essentially a key to your Medium account, so it is crucial to treat it like a password. You should store it in a secure location, such as an environment variable or a secure vault. Never embed your token directly into publicly accessible code or share it with anyone, as this could compromise your account. For those looking to fetch data from Medium, an alternative exists through the Rapid API platform. You can sign up for a Rapid API account and then subscribe to their unofficial Medium API. After subscribing, you will receive an XRapid API key. This key allows you to make requests to their endpoints to retrieve various types of data from Medium, offering a different pathway for programmatic access to content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.